Welcome ladies and gentlemen back to another vlog. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to change your valence on your Chevy Silverado. So this is my current setup I have right now. So this is the stock valence and I installed the lip splitter on it. But first we're going to have to remove that. And I also have underglow underneath my truck which we're going to have to remove because it's currently clipped onto this valence. And if you're curious, the valence I bought is from eBay and we're going to be unboxing that right now. I've just unboxed the new valence I'm going to be installing, and that's going to go all right there. We had to get a two-piece one because the stock valence, as you can see here, it's all one piece, so you can't remove this. And what I'm aiming for is just the chrome piece. Let me get under the car to show you guys the first step in removing this valence. So you have to remove all of these screws that are holding the valence system up. As you can see, they run all the way around, and you have to take those off first. So in order to get these screws out, you're gonna need a ratchet. So you're gonna get the ratchet, you're gonna put it in, and you're basically just twisting. And so hopefully just like that, after you remove all the screws, your valence should be able to just be pulled off. After removing the valence, you should see some clips which you're gonna have to move on to the new valence. Here we just put in those new clips on the new valence. Now what we're gonna do is put the new valence in using the old nails. And just like that, we're twisting the new nails, and we're gonna repeat the same process throughout the whole valence. And all that's left to do now is to pressure fit the new chrome valence. Alright guys, I didn't record because it's a two-hand job, but what I basically did was just push on this chrome piece on because it has clips in the back and it was just able to stick. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more how-tos in the future. Toodles!